Oh, is it on? It's too close, my god.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Oh, yes. Hello everyone, we are the Dynamic Triplets and I am Vivian.
I'm Harry.
I'm Dylan.
And welcome to our first vlog ever. In this video, we're going to give a review on Vietnamese food around Sydney. But it's not going to be based on high quality ones because we don't have the money to afford them. But we're actually going to give a review on a food court one. It's called Banh Mi. It's B-U-N-M-E. Oh, another thing is here. 1 second.
Yeah.
Just 1 second, guys.
And we're just gonna play everything else, okay?
See you in a moment.
1 second, 1 second.
A few moments later.
We're back with food, actually. So this one right here is the Vietnamese traditional beef noodle soup. It's called phở. So famous, guys, so good.
This is Vietnamese salad, and this is pork chop with rice.
And also, we also got the Vietnamese pancake.
Please excuse for the horrible presentation because we have to place everything out. Okay, let's start eating. Let's start trying everything. Wow!
But first, let's give you the water.
Okay, drinks. Oh, never forget.
Let's cheap it out. Doesn't have any sound effect, right?
I don't know, I guess.
A few moments later.
We're back.
So we have finished it all, and it's time for the final review. So what do you guys think about the taste?
Hey, first.
Okay, so for me, I do like the overall food. I like the pho and the salad, but I do like the pho best because I think it's really good based comparing to other places that I had. The price is a bit too pricey for some dishes, for example the salads, and I don't like the pancake or the rice dish because I don't think it's authentic since the rice is not broken. So overall I would give them a 3.5 out of 5.
Yeah. How about you, Dylan?
Well, for me, the price is overall is accepted. And about the review, the taste, not gonna review the first since I'm allergic to beef and I cannot eat them. But I really like the salads. It's really fresh and nutrition for healthy foods. So overall, I would give them a 4 out of 5.
It's a time.
Yeah.
So what are you having?
I think the food is just okay for me. I will give them 3 out of 5. I think we should try many other places in like Cabramatta because it's more authentic, I think.
Oh yeah, maybe we should go there.
But isn't it too far away? Isn't any place close by?
It should be worth it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like it or comment below to tell us what you think.
And remember to share it with your friends.
And subscribe as well. Thank you guys. See you
Thank you.
next
See ya.
time.